Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to change the format of an Excel file extension type using your Office product. So this can be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by heading up to the File tab of our Open Excel workbook here, and then you want to go down and left click on the Save As option. So left click on Save As, and then just choose the location you want to save the file. I'm going to select desktop for simplicity's sake. And now there should be a box that says Save As Type, and then a drop down in here. Left click inside the box. You can save it as a variety of different file types, so XLS, xlsb, save it as a CSV file, PDF. You guys have a lot of choices to choose from here. One of them should fit what you're looking for. So I do hope that this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.